Page curl transition Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion and waiting for it to load completely. After that, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. Once the settings are ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project opens, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then import the footage that you want to use in your project and place it on the timeline. After your footage is added, extend the footage duration so it lasts for the amount of time you want to work with. Once the footage duration is set, select the footage layer and go to Effect. Press Add Effect to open the list of available effects. Scroll down through the Effect section until you reach the 3D Effect category. Open the 3D Effect section and look for the Page Curl effect. Select Page Curl to apply it to your footage. After the effect is added, you will see several presets available inside the Page Curl settings. Browse through the presets and pick one that you like. Since the goal is to create a Page Curl transition, choose the transition and option from the available presets. Once selected, the transition animation is ready to use on your footage. At this stage, you can edit the values of the effect or adjust the duration of the effect to better match your project. To control how long the transition takes, adjust the keyframes associated with the effect. Move and set the keyframes according to the duration you want for the Page Curl animation. A shorter distance between keyframes creates a faster transition, while a longer distance creates a slower transition. After adjusting the keyframes, go to the curve section of the animation controls. Inside the curve section, set the curve based on your preference. Different curve settings will change the way the animation moves during the transition.